the master guide to the Pomodoro Technique, from basic timer to high-performance flow. The Pomodoro Technique is more than just a timer. It is a biological hack designed to align your work habits with the way your brain naturally processes information. Created by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, using a tomato-shaped kitchen timer, it has become the gold standard for developers, engineers, and creators worldwide. The biological architecture. Why 25 minutes? Our brains are not designed for 8-hour marathons of intense focus. We operate on ultradian rhythms, cycles of high-frequency brain activity, followed by periods of lower activity. The attention decay. Research shows that after 25-50 minutes of intense focus, our vigilance, sustained attention, begins to drop sharply. By forcing a break at the 25-minute mark, you stop the decay before it starts. The Zeigarnik effect. This psychological phenomenon states that people remember uncompleted or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. By breaking a large project into pomodoros, your brain stays primed and curious about the task during the short break, making it easier to restart. 2. Advanced implementation. The 5-step professional workflow. To move beyond the beginner level, you must treat your pomodoros as data points. 1. Planning. The pre-flight check. Before the first timer starts, look at your to-do list and estimate how many pomodoros, 25-minute blocks, each task will take. Small tasks. Group them together, e.g., email plus filing. 1 pomodoro. Large tasks. Break them down, e.g., circuit board repair. 4 pomodoros. 2. Protection. The shield. A pomodoro is indivisible. If you are interrupted by a phone call or a person, you have 2 choices. Inform and negotiate. I'm in the middle of a focus session. Can I call you back in 12 minutes? Avoid the session. If the interruption is urgent, the pomodoro is dead. Reset the timer and start over later. 3. Recording. The data. At the end of every 25 minutes, put a check mark on a piece of paper. This provides a visual sense of accomplishment and helps you track exactly how long specific professional tasks actually take. 4. The true break. A break where you check social media is not a break. Your brain is still processing digital information. A true break involves physical movement, stretching, sensory change, looking at something far away to rest eye muscles, hydration. The long reset. Every 4 pomodoros, take 20-30 minutes. This is when your brain moves information from short-term working memory into long-term storage. 3. Specialized variations for technical professionals. Different jobs require different rhythms. You should adapt the timer to your specific needs. Professional context. The strategy. The benefit. Camera software. Coding. 50-10 split allows for deep work, where you need time to hold complex logic in your head. Retail customer facing. 50-turn microdoses. Short bursts of organization between customer interactions. In creative, content creation. 90-20 split aligns with the full ultradian cycle for maximum creative output. Learning, studying, standard 25-5 maximizes the primacy and recency effect, remembering the start and end of a session, or overcoming Pomodoro anxiety. Many people feel rushed by the ticking clock. To fix this, use a visual timer. Use an app or clock that shows a red bar disappearing. This helps the brain perceive time as a space rather than a deadline. The +5 rule. If you are seconds away from finishing a task when the alarm goes off, give yourself exactly 5 minutes of overtime, then take a double-length break. Digital tools versus analog methods. Analog. The best for focus. A physical mechanical timer is best because it doesn't live on your phone, a source of distraction. Digital. The best for data. Use apps like Focus To Do or Toggle if you need to generate reports on how you spent your work week. Gamified apps like Forest grow a digital tree while you work. If you leave the app to check Facebook, the tree dies. This adds a psychological cost to losing focus. 6. Final cheat code. The zero-day concept. The Pomodoro Technique is also a tool for consistency. Even on your laziest day, commit to doing just one Pomodoro. Usually, the friction of starting is the hardest part. Once that 25-minute timer is running, the momentum will carry you through the rest of the day.